Hello guys! Welcome back to Diabtron. Today we're diving into a topic that might shake up your breakfast routine. We all love avocados, right? They are creamy, delicious, and packed with nutrients. But what if I told you that putting them on a toast isn't the healthiest choice you can make? Yep, you heard that right. In today's video, we're going to break down why avocado is super healthy, but you might want to skip it on a toast. Let's get into it. The avocado craze. Over the past few years, avocados have become staple in many of our diets. And for good reason, avocados are loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins like potassium, vitamin E, and B vitamins. They're great for heart health. They help lower bad cholesterol and they even promote glowing skin. It's no wonder avocado toast has taken the world by storm. But here's the thing. While avocados are indeed a superfood, how we consume them can make a big difference. The problem with avocado toast. So what's the deal with avocado toast? Why am I saying you should skip it? It all comes down to a few key factors: portion control, calorie density, and what you're pairing with it. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, which is fantastic, but those fats also come with a significant calorie count. One medium avocado can have around 250 to 300 calories, and that's without considering the bread. When you add it to a slice of toast, especially if you're using thick, hearty bread, you could be looking at a 400 to 600 calorie snack, maybe even more if you're adding extras like eggs, cheese, or bacon. The issue of portion control. Avocados are so delicious that it's easy to overdo it. A healthy portion of avocado is typically around one-third of a medium avocado. But how often do we end up using half or even the whole thing? That's where the problem lies. Without realizing it, you could be consuming a large portion of your daily calorie intake in just one meal or snack. Remember, even though it's a healthy fat, it's still fat and it can add up quickly. This can be especially concerning if you're trying to watch your weight or maintain a balanced diet. Nutritional balance. One downside of avocado toast is that it frequently lacks nutritional balance. While you're getting healthy fats and some fiber, you might be missing out on protein and other essential nutrients that keep you full and energized. Protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass, keeping you full longer, and supporting overall health. Unfortunately, many avocado toast recipes don't include enough protein to make it a truly balanced meal. Sure, you can add toppings like eggs, smoked salmon, or nuts. But then you're adding even more calories, which can turn a simple snack into a full meal in terms of calorie content. This can be a problem if you're not careful about the rest of your day's intake. The better alternatives. So what should you do instead? How can you enjoy avocados without overdoing it? One great option is to incorporate avocado in a balanced meal rather than relying on it as the star of your snack. For example, adding a few slices of avocado to a salad or a grain bowl can give you all the benefits of avocado without the calorie overload. You can also try avocado in a smoothie for a creamy texture or use it as a topping for grilled chicken or fish. These options allow you to enjoy the health benefits of avocado while still maintaining a balanced diet. The key is to keep portions in check and make sure you're getting a variety of nutrients. So there you have it. Avocado remains a top contender among healthy fats. But how you incorporate it into your diet is what really matters. Avocado toast might be delicious and trendy, but it's not always the best option if you're trying to stay healthy and manage your weight. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you are new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out our latest health tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments how you like to enjoy your avocado. Until next time, stay healthy and keep thriving!